It's a very good thing that Downers had the communications manager, so we know one contact person rather than figuring out who to contact.
From the very beginning, when Jess first came and introduced herself and said what was going to be happening, I thought this is really different.
The initial interaction that I had was, what sort of troubles I'm going to go through as a resident, what can they do to be part of the solution rather than the problems.
Jessica comes in to tell us what's going to happen, when it's going to happen, so that's been good. When he calls the meeting, there's actually a meeting organised, which is good. I think that's with Downer and Auckland Transport. So that's probably the good part. When we need a meeting, it's there.
We're getting a human face. She kept in close contact, and what she said she would do, she did.
We are kept in the loop and we know what the next step is, so we are well prepared for it.
The go-stop person always waves. I always wave back.
The more often we crossed, of course, they got to know. Having the same people doing it all the time was a big help.
It sort of just makes you feel as though you're part of the community and they're part of the community.
Being friendly, I think it was talking to the kids. That was sort of made the kids more comfortable.
Have a great day!
And they're always laughing and joking. And I've really liked that, because if you're around people who are grumpy about what they do, 6 weeks turns into 7 years.